Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ServiceNow to Microsoft Teams notifications, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect ServiceNow to Microsoft Teams for notifications, begin by logging into your ServiceNow instance. Navigate to the Application Navigator and type in Integrations. Choose to set up a new connector by clicking on the New button. Fill in the required fields, including the name and description of the connector. Select the appropriate Microsoft Teams channel where you want to send notifications. Next, open your Microsoft Teams application. Find the channel you have designated for notifications. Click on the three dots next to the channel name to open the channel settings. Select Connectors from the drop-down menu. In the Connectors window, search for ServiceNow. Click on Add to integrate ServiceNow with this channel. You will be prompted to authorize this connection. Log in with your Microsoft account and grant the necessary permissions. Once authorized, return to the ServiceNow instance. In the Microsoft Teams connector setup, copy the webhook URL provided. Go back to ServiceNow and paste the copied webhook URL into the appropriate field. Configure notification settings based on your requirements. You can specify the events in ServiceNow that you want to trigger notifications. Test the connection by creating a sample incident or change. Check the designated Microsoft Teams channel for the notification. If you receive the notification successfully, the connection is working. If not, revisit the settings and ensure that all credentials and permissions are correct. After all configurations are set, monitor the integration for reliability and performance. Your ServiceNow notifications are now integrated with Microsoft Teams. This allows for efficient communication and prompt response times. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.